different environmental laws and policies that are implemented in Cavinti LGU is the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, an act providing for an ecological solid waste management program, creating the necessary institutional mechanism and incentives, declaring certain acts prohibited and providing penalties, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes. There are a local ordinance that are related to environmental management, specifically solid waste management. Municipal Ordinance of 023-2020, an ordinance providing for a comprehensive and integrated ecological solid waste management, declaring certain acts prohibited and providing penalties, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes. The residents request or schedule the collection of household waste and recyclables. First is in Monday, only biodegradable will be pick up only, while in Tuesday, only non-biodegradable, and last, in Friday, is the maintenance of the truck.
Meron na ring sariling landfill ang bayan ng Cavinti at ito ay located sa Barangay Bangko.
The penalties for illegal dumping and littering, and they enforce in the first offense it fines 1,000 pesos, in the second offense it fines 2,000 pesos, and in the third offense it fines 2,500 pesos and imprisonment not more than 3 months as determined by the court. The unique innovation practices regarding solid waste management thus Cavinti LGU known for: first is no proper segregation, no collection. Second is recyclables for decoration. And lastly is residual plastic, palit bigas.
So sa Kabinti, pinapatupad nila yung Clean and Green program wherein meron dito ng MRF o yung Materials Recovery Facilities sa bawat barangay. Sa MRF, kinokolekta yung mga waste and recyclables ng bawat barangay para pagpunta ng dump truck ng bayan is kinokolekta nila iyon. Meron din ditong mga rewards and competitions kung saan barangay may mas magandang system or proper segregation ng basura. Included din sa Clean and Green program ng Cavinti is yung Purok system kung saan ang top priority dito is yung proper waste management. At dapat yung mga basurahan nila is may proper labeling kung saan merong nabubulok, merong mga recyclable at meron din dun sa hindi nabubulok. So sa Purok system, meron din ditong garden kung saan ina-apply nila yung waste diversion o yung paggamit sa mga waste or sa mga recyclable materials para mas mapakinabangan ito at hindi masayang or hindi mas kalat-kalat lamang sa kapaligiran. So itong Purok system na ito is a competition wherein ina-awardan ito during Sambalila Festival to give acknowledgement and serves as a motivation para sa mga mamamayan na i-practice pa yung proper waste management dito sa ating bayan.